I will trust your judgment, Master. Lead the way.
Benditas, Horicidan Gelfa, Fabuelta,
I am yours to command, Master.
Sidan Gelfa Vadinogan Gelfa, Linda Grufta.
I shall do so now, Master Habak. Farewell, and farewell to you as well.
Sidan Gelfa Vadinogan Gelfa, Linda Grufta. Gruftadan Gelfa, Horicidan Gelfa. Sidan Gelfa Vadinogan Gelfa, Linda Grufta. Guten Grufblava, Fandibo Gelfa, Horicidan Gelfa Vadinogan Gelfa, Fabuelta. Sidan Gelfa Vadinogan Gelfa, Linda Grufta. Fandibo Gelfa, Fabuelta. Linda Grufta. Horicidan Gelfa Vadinogan Gelfa. Guten Grufblava, Fandibo Gelfa. Horicidan Gelfa Vadinogan Gelfa. Fabuelta. Guten Grufblava, Fabuelta. Grufblav Fandibo Gelfa.
Paramakanwana Kochokitsa. Taranamo Sibu and Dasarans, Krema Sunkun Ratungala, Chawi Mo Jubu and Kosoracha. Moka Kamaran and Doso Ranwi no Chabi. Tu Rantamana Sobu, Donos Emeragith, Wanarakorachi Drunka Sa Inchobin Sasha, Dosimana Rachata. Moka Kamaran and Doso Ranwi no Chabi. Tu Rantamana Sobu, Tonoranga Manakaran, Epo Inshawa. Moka Kamaran and Doso Ranwi no Chabi. Tu Rantamana Sobu. Moka Kamaran and Doso Ranwi no Chabi. Tu Rantamana Sobu. Febko Emarayam Gawata Situ Insula Rakarakachata. Tamaso Kinchuda Wanka. Mopi Unawana si Chokoratawa. Moka Kamaran and Doso Ranwi no Chabi. Duranta mana sobu, tonoranga manakaran, ipoenshawa. Boka kamaran endoso ranwi no chabi. Duranta mana sobu, donos emeragith. Wanarakorachi drumka sa inchobin sasha. Dosimana rachata. Boka kamaran endoso ranwi no chabi. Duranta mana sobu. Boka kamaran endoso ranwi no chabi. Duranta mana sobu. Inwamagro, may rangana norocha. Bomababe want to susintu mukarata. Tu esfecto natada be mabar chokto. Torenibu inturata sisi me borokra. Tonoranga manakaran, ipo inshawa. Machabi doko, tonoranga manachunga. Tanabewe, tandi goroto.
Hello there. You know, I heard about what happened at the docks. Can we talk for a bit? I handle vice. You know, spice, gambling, the good things in life. For the local exchange boss, Lopak Slusk. Don't worry, I won't make a move on you. That Squid and I don't see eye to eye on a lot of things. You being one of them. Look, are you really Jedi? Exactly. This exchange bounty has nothing to do with you. But Slusk, my boss, won't listen to me. Still, you seem a very capable sort. Tell me, are you a capable sort? Good. I like that in a man. So here it is. Help me with Lopak Slusk, and I'll keep the exchange off your back. And find your missing ship. I can get you into the exchange suites in Residential 082. They're west of the entrance. More than a few of the guards are in my pocket, so there shouldn't be too much resistance inside. When Slusk's out of the way, I'll clear up this bounty matter and get your ship back. Deal? We'll speak again, then. Best of luck, handsome.
Something I can help you with? If we knew when he was going to make a shipment, then we could catch him. What are the 3 things he needs? All that? If that's the size and substance of his usual shipments, it helps explain quite a bit. It will take some time for me to assemble those. All right, everything's here. Take these to Samhan. After that, come back to me and tell me the exchange has been made, and I'll go to the dock module to wait for him. If he won't let you leave until the transaction's completed, go with him. I'll post one of my men near the docking bay, and if he spots you, he'll summon me. Understood? I'll be there, don't worry. You just make sure you get him to the docking bay. We have to catch him in the act.
Ramakawana Kojukitsu. Taranamo Sibu and Dasarans, Krema Sunkun Ratungala, Chawi Mo Jubu and Kosoracha. Boka Kamaran and Doso Ranwi no Chabi. Du Rantamana Sobu. Tonoranga Manakaran, Ipo Inshawa.
About time you showed up, Saman. Get your things loaded. I'm already behind schedule.
Loka kamaran endoso ran we no chabi. Tu rantamana sobu.
You don't understand how it is with Zerka. When the process stops working like clockwork, questions get asked, and we don't want questions asked, do we?
Loka kamaran endoso ran we no chabi. Tu rantamana sobu.
The faster we get this loaded, the faster we can get it out of here.
Stop right there. You are all under arrest and your possessions will be seized as evidence.
Taranamo sibu endasarans. Krema sunkun ratungala. Chawi mo jubu inkosoracha.
That's enough, Samhan. Don't bother protesting your innocence. We know all about your business thanks to our friend here.
Taranamo sibu endasarans. Krema sunkun ratungala. Chawi mo jubu inkosoracha.
He's got a grenade. Take him down.
Sibu endasarans. Krema sunkun ratungala. Chawi mo jubu inkosoracha.
I thought you might see it my way. All of you, come with me.
Taranamo sibu endasarans. Krema sunkun ratungala. Chawi mo jubu inkosoracha.
I think you may be overconfident of your chances, Samhan. We now have evidence of your smuggling operation, and even the Council cannot ignore that. Again, I have you to thank. Without your assistance, it would have been impossible for us to place Samhan under arrest. Now we can be certain he will be removed. I believe a long sentence awaits him, and the Citadel will be rid of his influence for good, though there is always the possibility another will take his place. I promise to pay you handsomely for your assistance, and I'll keep my word. Now I must attend to my other duties. Again, thank you for your help.
I do not approve of this alliance we have formed with Chodo Habat and his Ithorians. Habat has an agenda, and he hopes to tie you into it to use you to his own ends. True, he may be able to help us locate the Ebon Hawk, but still, you must be vigilant.
Sobojun sama pitom. No sukama rontisi renti. Manama kropa putani tris. Dosokanki. Jiso maranesh insando krapa moletek. Marawana chiso lujraka. Tinachara. Graracha. Ganowiso. To trovando krani. Terando nosh wiwana hoto.
I'm terribly sorry, but there must be some sort of mistake. I don't have a record of your appointment. Are you certain it was for today? You know what? There must be a mistake in the system. Why don't I open that door for you? What was your name? Excuse me, Lopak Slusk's appointment has arrived. Please open the inner door. There you are. Have a good day. Lopak Slusk should be waiting.
Truth Blackfa, Wabuelta, Truth Blackfa, Nibu Kelfa. Only truth lava. Papoyalta. Truth lava. Nibo gelva. Only truth lava. Papoyalta. Truth lava. Nibo gelva. Sidan gelva. Badino kan gelva. Linda trufta.
With pleasure.
Slusk. I may have had a hand in this, yes? That's all wrapped up. I've got to thank you for your help. It's a shame I have to turn you down after you asked so nicely, but no. Slusk's dead, but Goto's still my boss. I'm shipping you to Nar Shaddaa, Jedi, dead or alive. If you don't want to defend yourself, that's your choice.
Maybe Nar Shaddaa isn't such a good idea after all. The Exchange is one of the most powerful groups on the Smuggler's Moon. If this Goto wants you so badly, it'd probably be a good idea not to show up on his doorstep, wouldn't you say? Not to mention, I'm sure Lopak Slusk has friends on Nar Shaddaa that won't be happy to hear he's gone. Yeah, you're right. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it.